much the home screen of the application, and it's a simple AI application here. You have a lot of templates which you can use, a lot of different styles which you can use. You can see here for Christmas, for Halloween, which have been gone already. There's some other things which you can do as well. A lot of things which you can do. It all depends upon you on what you want. And if I do scroll on some more, be able to see all of the templates that they do offer. You have the transformation section, and if I do tap on the more option, I'll be able to use these. But do keep in mind, you're going to need a pro subscription to be able to use any one of these templates. So most of them are completely, you're gonna need pro subscription, and some of them you're not going to need. So for example, this one here that doesn't have a crown icon at the top here is pretty much the free one. So the ones without the crown at the top is the free ones, and the ones with the crown icon at the top, you're gonna need subscription to use those. And do keep in mind, even though you'll be able to use those, you won't be able to use it unlimitedly. They are limited. You can probably use some of these templates 4 to 5 times, and that's really pretty much it. But you get the understanding. So for example, I'm going to try this one out. For example, any one of these, the same thing applies. You just upload in a clear image of your face or yourself, and you pretty much get these results very easily. So for example, this one here where it says free AI case or whatever the case is, or animated memories. For example, you're storing a image or a photo, you can just tap on use for free, and you pretty much just upload an image, and that's really pretty much it. It should get results like this. Similar to this here, you upload a couple photo and you get results like that. So very easy to use. So at the top here, you got options to turn a photo into a video. As I said before, similar to these, but these are just templates which you can use. So if I tap on the video to photo option here, you can be able to upload the image that you want, and also tell the AI what you want that image or what you want to be done in that image as well. So usually AI will just let you upload the image and it will just do something randomly. But this application here allows you to choose what you want to do. So at the top here, go ahead and select the model that you want to use. As you can see here, they do have their perks. The top one here, you're going to need a subscription to use it. And the bottom one here, which is this one, you're going to pretty much a free subscription, or you don't need a pro subscription to use. But overall, the application for you to use this specific feature here, going to need a pro subscription, so we'll keep that in mind. So here as well, you're going to need to upload a photo that you want to change or whatever the case is, and you're good to go. So down here you have the resolution section. You can pretty much select your resolution, but for the free version, you won't be able to do that. As you can see here, I won't be able to even generate anything at all with this feature here, with this free subscription plan that I have. So that's really pretty much it for that. And the same thing for the text to video option. I'm going to need a subscription as well, but I'm going to just run through it for you. So here at the top, you pretty much go here and enter what you want to generate, anything in mind. But if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the random prompt option and it will generate something for you if you just test out their application. So you can always just tap on it until you find something that you want, or you can just delete it. Tap on that there, you're pretty much good to go. You can as well select the style. It wants to be realistic or AI, not AI, sorry, anime. And also then you can go ahead and select the aspect ratio of that video. Down here you can also select the motion of the video. You can see here it's nothing much. You can do medium or you can do high. Well, I do recommend selecting the auto option if you don't know what you're doing. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And to get your subscription with this application, and I forgot to mention the photo editing feature, nothing much for that, just a simple photo editing application and setup, I should say. As you can see here, nothing much. You have some body editing feature here, which you can use as well. So nothing much for that feature there. So at the top, you can go tap on the pro subscription. You can tap on this here. and you'll be able to see all the subscription that they offer. So you can see you have a 1 year subscription and a 1 week subscription. Either one you choose depends upon you. So as you can see here, everything that you're getting, and as well all the diamonds that you'll be getting along with the subscription. But do keep in mind, it will tell you how much diamonds. As you can see, you only get 100 diamonds with the subscription here, and for this I get 6,000 diamonds. So do keep that in mind, and do keep a check of the diamonds, because that's going to be needed for you to generate the videos. So once you get the subscription, that's not it. You're going to need a few diamonds to generate specific things. But that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.